These are all supposed to be having
We're not doing anything wrong. We're just sat here talking. That's what everyone said. Whoa. I don't know what we're supposed to be doing though. So what? I've got a CD. Haven't got it.
I don't even look like
Don't do
that.
Okay, it's alright, you can.
My course was at home, I was doing it there.
Don't lie.
You need to do something now. You can do something. The notes
Can I draw a picture? It's got your picture.
Oh, my throat really hurts.
Well, can you write me a link?
Oh dear.
Oh, I'll tell you a laugh, it's so funny.
Miss, give her my CD.
No, I've got a CD! God! I need a list of what to put in the letter.
Oh, it's okay, Natalie, you're very photogenic. I don't even think about it.
Photogenic. You let us get like different types out.
Can I watch that? That wasn't mine.
Still doing it.
You were
George, get that camera out my face now.
George, no.
George! Oh, this is a panic.
I don't know, I can't remember.
I was going to do something gay anyway.
Do on Will, do on Will.
Please.
No,
I can't put that on Facebook.
I am.
Yeah, okay.
Like, he's very... You must be gay.
Nicole.
Why are you doing that?
Do you want me to print off the stuff?
I'm not walking down.
I'll go down.
Think again.
Is it recording?
Still recording.
Will, yes.
Downstairs tells you that.
Please put it out.